Hi, my name is Claude Bay with 24/7 Online Marketing, and I get a frequently asked question a lot, which is how do I get traffic to my local business, to my storefront, to my barbershop, to my dental office, right? To my chiropractic office, to my veterinary store, to my pet store, right? Those are the questions I get all the time. And so in this video, I want to share with you exactly what you need to do in order to get traffic. I mean, when I say traffic, I mean free traffic, valuable traffic, traffic where people are really looking to buy or really looking to buy your product or your service and or visit your store because that they believe you have what they want. So if you want to hear about what you need to do in order to do that, then stay tuned for this quick video. Okay, so guys, it's really simple. In order for you to get traffic to your local business, to your storefront, to your, to your restaurant, to your barbershop, to your dental office, to your doctor's office, wherever it is where people are searching for a doctor, whatever they might be searching for, that your business serves a product or service is very simple. And I tell you, it's so simple that it's unbelievably simple. Now, I've been doing it for years, and I've been doing it for my clients. And the very first thing I do, and actually, guess what? There's not even you don't even pay for it. It's not even paid advertising, right? It's not blogging. It's not doing the stuff that you think that you don't want to do. So you don't gotta go on social media every day and, and produce a post, right? You don't gotta do content marketing. All you have to do is very simple. It's called business citations. All you gotta do is list your business and all the different business citations that are out there in the world, and it's some very specific business citations that are very specific to your industry. And what I mean by citations are nothing more than just business listings. So like Yelp, that's a business citation. That's a business listing. That's where a spot, a location, an online directory. Or in other words, you can say is online directories that actually help promote businesses. So all you gotta do is make sure your business information is listed on those directories. So that's all it really is. We give it a fancy term called citations, business citations, but all it is local business directories to make sure your business is listed on. And all you got to make sure you list information, all the information you really need, right, is your business name, your business address, and your business phone number. Those are the three main things that need to be listed on those directories. So there's a ton of them. There's a ton of business listings and directories, and that you can go for. And there's some general ones for everybody needs to be on, like Google Business Profile, which used to be called Google My Business. Before that, it was called Google Plus. So many different names. I don't know. They might change the name again in another 3 years. Google will. But anyway, that's one of the major players. So all you gotta do is make sure your business is listed on Google Plus or Google My Business now, which is actually called. Actually, no, excuse me. It's actually called Google Business Profile. So just make sure your business is listed on that. And there's a bunch other more. And so look, guys, if you're truly interested in trying to figure out exactly how to implement this into your business, I have a really quick cheat sheet that I want to share with you. It's really quick. It's called the one-page omnipresent cheat sheet. It's yours for free. I'm going to give it to you. Just use the link here to download. I'm also going to give you, when you use the link to download, I'm also going to give you a little bit tutorial to walk you through my one-page omnipresent cheat sheet. That's what I call it. It's nothing more than just getting local business listings for your business and just make sure your business is listed on those directories. And I tell you all the directories that you need to get your business listed on. So it's really simple to do. You can do it yourself. You don't need a marketer. You don't need anyone to do it for you. You can actually do it yourself, right? And it's really simple. So go ahead and get a cheat sheet. If this was helpful for you, go ahead and share this with other people. Share it on YouTube. Share it on Facebook. Share it on LinkedIn. Share it on TikTok, whatever. Share it on Instagram, whatever channel you're actually watching this on. Just go ahead and share it. Thank you so much. Hopefully this helped you. Leave some comments if you have any questions or send me a direct message. Take care now, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.